Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at Ivercad numbers. A nod, a hain, a dó, a trí, a cahar, a cuig, a sé, a shocked, a hooked, a ní, a de. A haindag, a dóéig, a trídag, a cahardag, a cuigdag, a sédag, a shockdag, a hookdag, a nídag, fiche. Féach an céad chearnóg, the 100 square. 20, fiche. 30, trocha. 40, dahad. 50, quaga. 60, shaska. 70, shockdo. 80, octo. 90, noka. 100, cade. So just how do we put numbers together? Fiche cahar, 24. Noka shocked, 97. Quaga hain, 51. So, for counting in Irish, we put the number followed by the object for 2 to 10. For 1, we use the phrase one, which means only, and we write ga, 2, and kera, 4, instead of do and car. So, a korov when the word begins with a consonant. So, as we said, couple, a one horse. Now, for 2 to 6, we add in a shevu if the first consonant takes it. Remember, not every letter takes a consonant. Ga vabog, 2 dolls. 3 doris, 3 doors. Kera vok, 4 pigs. Cuig wrong, 5 glasses. She fata, 6 pets. And remember, for 7 to 10, we add in an uru if the first consonant takes one. Shocked gar, 7 cars. Ucht vwinog, 8 windows. Ni biaun, 9 pens. De norgine, 10 gardens. And remember, if you look at that word, it's always followed by the singular. So, a korov when the word begins with a gutta, a vowel. So, ulawan, 1 apple. For 2 to 6, we don't need to change anything. Ga anam, 2 names. 3 im, 3 butters. Kera, elephant, 4 elephants. Cuig ola, 5 oils. She ul, 6 apples. And for 7 to 10, we add in an n hyphen before the word. Shocked nanam, 7 names. Ucht nim, 8 butters. Ni nelephant, 9 elephants. De nulla, 10 oils. And remember, if you look at that, the singular should always follow the number. So, a korov with bigger numbers. So for teen numbers, we followed the rules previously, but add in daig afterwards. So for example, 11 classes, ein rong daig. 14 apples, kera ul daig. 18 oranges, ucht narashta daig. 15 dogs, cuig vadra daig. 17 pens, shocked biaun daig. So, a korov lahai Ivercad níos mó ná fiche. So, for numbers that are bigger than 20, we follow the rules previously, but we add in is agus an detreis. So we add in is and the 10 afterwards. So, 41 bicycles is ein roher is dahad, which directly translates to 1 bike and 40. 22 names. Ga anam is fiche, so 2 names and 20. 59 elephants. Ni nelephant is quaga. 83 cats. 3 chat is octo. 68 chairs. Ucht gahir is shaska. So, just some nice phrases. So the singular should always follow any phrase you use related to amount. So for example, cúpla, a couple. Goléir, a lot of. Biogan, a little bit. So marhampla, cúpla focal, couple of words. Goléir ul, a lot of apples. Biogan im, a little bit of butter.
Agus sin é.